Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the 23rd tutorial in this course, and in this tutorial we'll be checking out how we can embed video clips in our web pages. And in the last tutorial we understood how we can include audio clips, and the way in which you include video clips is very similar to how you include audio clips. And the video element that we're going to use in this tutorial is in fact going to appear very similar to the audio element that we used, and the entire setup in fact, except that the video element is going to take few extra attributes, and I'll talk about those in just a minute. So the HTML file that I have here has the doc type declaration on line number 1, and then between the opening and closing HTML tags I have the head section and the body section. The head section has the title tags, and the title of the web page is embedding videos in web pages. Then inside the body section I have the opening and closing h1 tags on line number 7, and the text included between the opening and closing h1 tags is sending email to people using Python. And this is actually the title of the video clip that I have included in the web page. And then on line number 8 I have the video element. So you have to type in video first, give a space, and then you can set the width as well as the height of the video clip as you want it to appear on your web page. So let's say I wanted to have a width of 600 pixels and I wanted to have a height of 400 pixels. I'll have to type in width, the name of the attribute, the equal to symbol, and then within double quotes the value for it. So, and the value has to be in pixels, right? So 600 pixels is the value that I want the width attribute to have, 400 for height, and then you give a space and you type in controls. And the significance of the controls attribute is that it allows you to play, pause, and seek forward, backward, adjust the volume, and it allows you to do all that. And then within the video element I have another tag, the source tag for the video element, and this is going to tell the browser where the file is, what is its type, and what is its name. So the video file that I've used here, I've called it video.mp4, and I have it in the same folder as my tutorial file. So this is the HTML document tutorial-23, and the video file that I've used is also in this folder. So it's right here, it's called video. And if I had it in some other folder, then I would have had to go to the file's location, right click on the file, go to properties, and copy the file location, like the entire path of the file, and then paste it here as a value to the src attribute within the source tag, right? And then you also have to specify the type of your file. So this is an mp4 file, so that's why I have written video/mp4 as a value for the type attribute. And then I've closed the source tag using the forward slash and the closing angular bracket. And then I also have a paragraph of text on line number 10. I have the opening and closing p tags, and the text that's enclosed within these tags is your browser does not support this file or feature, and this text will only be displayed if your browser fails to load this video clip for some reason, right? And this is how the file looks when I open it in Google Chrome, right? So you see that you have this this video clip, and you can play it, and I don't think you'll be able to hear much because I record my tutorials using a headphone which has a microphone. So it's actually I can hear it in my headset, but I don't think you would be able to. But anyway, it's playing, and you can see that it's playing, and you can also move forward in it, and you can adjust the volume if you want to, and you can also view it, you can maximize it, you can view it in full screen mode, and you can get back. So these are all the controls that HTML offers, and that's it for now. I hope you guys had fun watching this tutorial, and you may subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next video, in which we'll discuss more HTML features and more tags. And that's it, and take care.